Welcome to our series of video tutorials on how to effectively use the JOBV.EU service. In the previous video, we created and posted a job search ad using the user profile information we have already entered. In this video we create an advertisement for your order to find a contractor to complete it. Let's go to the My Profile menu and then My Orders. This is your ad management area where you can create and publish your orders ads. To create an order ad, click the Add Order button. A form will open. In the order section, you need to fill out two text fields: header of your order and order description. It is recommended that you enter text for both text fields in all languages supported by the service if you want your ad to be shown to representatives of companies and individual entrepreneurs using the user interface in the appropriate language to view the site. To enter text in multiple languages, you need to click on the DE, EN, and RU tabs. When using an online translator, the text entered in the first tab is the source for translation into other languages. When entering text in the second and third tabs, you can use both the keyboard and the online translator. If necessary, the result of the online translation can be corrected. A green circle with a check mark on the tab means text data was entered in that language. A red triangle with an exclamation mark means there is no text data in that language. Next, provide information about who will provide the materials for the work: the customer, that is, you, or the contractor. In the Additional Documents section you can upload additional files to your ad, documents with a more detailed description of the order. Drawings, sketches, photos explaining the scope of work, and so on. The number of files that can be added and their maximum total size are indicated under the heading of this section. To upload a file, you need to click on the Upload area and select the desired file from the list or drag and drop a file from File Explorer into this upload area. After the file is uploaded, you can add a description about this file in the line below. In the next section you can specify when the order should be executed. Here it is possible to specify both a specific date and an approximate period for completion, for example, this month. In the Where should the order be executed section, you must provide the country, zip code and city. Also, if you wish, you can indicate the address of the place where the work is to be performed, but this is not necessary, since you can provide it in the process of correspondence with the contractor, after he introduces himself to you and you are confident in his seriousness and competence. In the geolocation section, you can indicate on the map an approximate or, if desired, the exact location where the work should be carried out. If you specified the address and city in the previous section, click the Set Marker using the Address button. If you didn't specify the city or address in the previous section, start by entering the city on the line directly below the map. Then, by moving the map and using the plus and minus buttons to scale it, set the map image so that the place where the work was done was in the center of this image and click the Set Marker in the center of the map button. If you are using a small map scale, you can place a marker by clicking on the desired location on the map. Beforehand, you need to activate this mode by clicking on the Touch the Map to set a marker button. In the Estimated Budget section, you can specify the type of payment for the services provided, from, to, and fixed amount, as well as the amount, the currency denomination and for what period this amount will be paid. In the next section, Contractor, which profession could fulfill your order. You can specify several professions whose specialists could carry out your order. When the order is published, those companies that have specialists in the professions you specified will be automatically notified. This can increase the number of responses to your ad. To add the desired professions to this list, you must click on the Add button. To quickly find professions, you can use the quick search bar located at the top of the dialog. The search begins after entering at least 3 letters of the desired profession. It happens that there are 2 or more identical job titles in the list of professions found. This is because these tags belong to different professional categories. It could also be that these tags in other languages have different versions of the names of this profession. But in English they have the same name. It is recommended to add all suitable professions found by search, even if they have the same name. This can help the automated search agent more effectively find suitable offers for you. In the What knowledge and skills should a professional have section, you can specify several required professional skills that a contractor must have to carry out your job. When the order is published, those companies that have specialists with the knowledge and skills you specified will be automatically notified. This can increase the number of responses to your ad. The next section is possible languages of communication. In it you can specify the languages in which you could communicate with the contractor. In the order title icon section, you can select a mini image or icon from our gallery that, if possible, matches the content of your order. This image appears in the order list to the left of the order title. In the last section contact details you can enter your telephone number, mobile phone number and fax number. You can also leave these fields blank so that potential contractors can contact you using the integrated messaging system. After you finish entering data, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Your ad has now been created but not yet published. You can determine this by the red Not Published sign, which is located immediately below the ad title. To publish it, click on the Publish button. When the publishing process completes successfully, a published sign will appear under the title of the ad. From now on, your ad is in limited public access. This means that the title of the ad is available to all users of the site, as well as to search engines such as Google and so on, and the content of the ad is available only to companies and individual entrepreneurs registered on our website. It is recommended to review ads before publishing by clicking on the Preview button. If you need to make changes to the ad text, you should return to the list of your ads by clicking your browser's Back button or clicking My Orders in the My Profile menu. To make changes to your ad, click the Edit button. After making the necessary changes, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Now you can publish your ad by clicking the Publish button. After a few seconds, the published sign will appear. To the right of this sign there are three indicators DE, EN, and RU. If they are all highlighted in green, it means that the ad has been published in all language variants of the website. If an indicator is not activated, that is, it is gray, it means that the ad was not published in that language. To fix this, click the Edit button again and check that the ad title is present in the text fields of all language tabs, DE, EN, and RU. You can use the integrated online translator to translate the text. Finally, click on the Save button. In addition, in the status bar of each ad you can see its status, the date the ad was created, the date it was last modified, the date it was published, the number of views and also how many company representatives are watching it, that is, they saved it in their list of favorite ads. If you want to create one or more advertisements in parallel, changing just a few parameters, for example, the title or the location of the work, then there is no need to create the entire advertisement from the very beginning. To do this, click on the Clone button and a copy of this ad will be created for you, in which you can make the necessary changes and publish them. To remove an ad you no longer need, simply click the Delete button. That's all. In the next video, I will introduce you to the method of finding suitable job vacancies for you, as well as services provided by companies and individual entrepreneurs using ad filters. I will show you how to convert these filters into search requests that will be periodically launched by our service, and when new ads are published that match the specified search criteria, notifications about these advertisements will be sent to your email. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.